Welcome to our comparison of the Black+Decker Small Portable Washer and the Black+Decker BCED26 Compact Dryer. Today, we'll explore their features, performance, and what users are saying about these compact laundry solutions. Both products are designed for small living spaces, making them ideal for apartments and dorms. Let's dive into the details. The Black+Decker Small Portable Washer offers 6 wash cycles, making it versatile for different fabric types, while the Black+Decker BCED26 Compact Dryer features 5 drying modes, including a sensor dry function that adjusts drying time based on moisture levels. This ensures that your clothes are dried efficiently without over-drying, which can damage fabrics. Both products are designed for compact living spaces. The washer is portable with a weight of 70.5 pounds, while the dryer is lighter at 48.4 pounds, making it easier to transport. Their dimensions allow them to fit into tight spaces, making them perfect for small apartments or dorms. User feedback highlights the effectiveness of the Black+Decker Small Portable Washer, with many praising its cleaning capabilities and ease of use. However, some noted its limited capacity. On the other hand, the Black+Decker BCED26 Compact Dryer is appreciated for its efficient drying, though some users mentioned longer drying times compared to larger models. Both products have received positive reviews, making them popular choices for compact laundry solutions. In conclusion, both the Black+Decker Small Portable Washer and the Black+Decker BCED26 Compact Dryer are excellent choices for anyone looking for compact and efficient laundry solutions. Depending on your needs, you may prefer the washer for its versatile washing capabilities or the dryer for its efficient drying options. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.